Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're interested in this beautiful blue eyeshadow look by Glam Doll Artistry, please keep watching. We're gonna go ahead and get started. And since I've already set my eye with my primer and my base, I'm ready to go in with my first color. Color is going to be this white here, and this color is what I'll be basically going under my brow bone with to make it pop. I learned that patting really helps versus swiping. That way you don't swipe the color off and you get a real true to color eyeshadow look. Actually allows it to be a lot bolder. And that's what we're looking for, especially with this beautiful look that I'm super excited about. So let's do it. And I'm gonna drag it down just a little bit. Now I'm gonna go in with the baby blue color. Uh-oh, yikes. Wouldn't be me if I did. So it's this one here. And I'm just patting in a motion, going out. And I do want to pat because I do want this to be pigmented. I don't want to fade my color away. And I'm bringing it all the way in. I'm bringing it all the way in. And as you see, I basically covered my white a little bit and always go back. Always go back and make that color a little bolder. Okay. Now let's get to our blue. And let me go ahead, let's stop. And let me do this trick here because it's gonna save you all the time. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put my tape, scotch. I'm gonna put my tape on my eye so that my wing is perfect. Perfect. So that helps us out a ton. Like, it's gonna help, trust me. It's gonna help. And the beauty of this look, my eyeshadow, I'm not using that many brushes. That to me is what I hate doing. I hate using 10 brushes to accomplish such a bold look. You can still accomplish a very bold look without all the brushes. Like, you don't have to. So guess what? I'm not. And I'm bringing that in. I really like this eyeshadow. It's giving me a lot of colors that I can use. You can make a lot of different looks with this one palette, and I can appreciate that. Not having to go back and forth. And if you want to purchase a really bold palette, one palette, and get a lot of looks without going back and forth, I think it's perfect, honestly. Okay, we're getting there. And I'm just going right back over it to make my colors. pop. And the key to these looks, eyeshadow looks, bold eyeshadow looks, is definitely gonna be your brushes. Like, make sure you're getting some really good brushes that helps with the process, okay? And I'm gonna go back into the white. Bring it on up there. Yes, so I'm here for it. And so I really want to get on that line, on that blue line with the baby blue, just to make sure it's blended, you know, just to make sure that line is blended. And I'm going to go back in with my white here. And this is just the NYX Glitter Primer. I'm just gonna add this wing up because it looks like it's a little bit higher on the other side. So I'm gonna add some more wing. I really like the way this glitter shadow is. I've never used glitter shadow, but it's really, really cute if you can see. I'm gonna add a black in here. Just a little bit, and I do mean just. And it's just gonna bold, make my, I'm gonna go back on top, bold out my blue, make it pop, 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 pop. Add some more blue in there. Yes. We're just gonna do what we do out. Give us a pop of this baby blue. A little bit right up in here. I think we got something going on. I think we got something going on. I think we got something going on. Hey, it's the shoulders. It's the shoulders. Over my, and this is like some powder shimmer, and it's giving me everything. Yes, 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 it's giving me everything I need plus more. So we're going with it. Okay. Yes, we're going with it. Okay, so this is the look. And one thing I can say is difficult is actually adding the lash on here with that eyeshadow glitter. It is pretty difficult. Pretty difficult. So watch out for that. But we are done. You know what? I'm gonna keep this on